Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Okay, let's start. Follow my whole step. At first you click Garage. Now click music icon. Now click music. Allow access. Now click add play. Now click playlist name. Now click add. Now click add tracks. Drive gallery. Now select your music file. Select your music. Now go back and gameplay. Now game. Now click ready option. Now click music option. Now play. By doing such